Removing a range of frames in the timeline using the lift tool. So with the lift tool, I'm going to be down here in my timeline, and I am going to remove a certain part of the sequence, and I'm going to leave a blank space. To do that, I'm here on my timeline, and let's say I want to start right here. I'm going to go up here into my program monitor and do a mark in. Now I'm going to move my time head here. I'm going to slide over to right here, and I'm going to mark it out. So this is the area that I want to remove. And to do this, I'm going to use the lift command. When I come up to the buttons that are underneath the program monitor, I have a lift command. When I click on it, you can see that it removes a section of the timeline of the sequence, and it leaves a gap here. Okay, so if I move this over, it's just a blank gap. So this is performing a lift edit.